Oh, I'd have to be twice as tall at least to feel better than I do. Yes, I'd have to be twice as tall at least. I mean me multiplied by two. I mean me multiplied by two. Oh, I'd have to be thrice as wide at least to feel better, you'll agree. Yes, I'd have to be thrice as wide at least. I mean me magnified by three. I mean me magnified by three. I'm kind of hazy.
I remember when I couldn't level up. I was trying but I couldn't level up. It was rough, you see. Start feeling like I had enough, then I contemplate giving up. If you're feeling like you can't level up, I'ma make you not stop at all. Because right when you start feeling like you can't level up, that's when you have to shut the devil up. I remember when I couldn't level up. No, my money couldn't level up. Doing what I must, seem like there's always another level up. That's why you always found me looking up. But sometimes, in my life, you know me, I rebel up. My hair about my fights in the club. Every day me try level up, so me striking them hard. Me go hard until I get to God.
You can do it, wow, wow. Never, 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 never stop. Come on, sir, papa, why? You can do it, wow, wow. Never, 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 never stop. Come on, sir, papa, why? Ah, yeah, yeah.
I remember when I couldn't level up, cause the Grammys had me feeling sick as fuck, throwing up and shit. Asking questions like, why wasn't us? Almost had a nigga feeling envious. Tell them say them can't bury us. Tell them say them can't bury us. Cause the love make me stand up every time when me fall. Come back standing twice as tall. I never thought that I could level up till I started filling all these venues up. All I wanted was weed in my bristle and some VVS to ice my bezel up. Some of my guys might never see the sun. Some of them still peddle drugs. If you know that you ain't never show me love, and you like me better when we gonna boss, boy, I'm telling ya. I remember selling on my tour. I remember feeling legendary in Wembley every night. And you could never take the pride away from my mama. You'd be proud of me too if you knew where I was coming from. And to anybody with it doubts me, I swear to make sure you never forget about me. If you think it's over, then you must be drowsy. I'm a motherfucking legend and I say it proudly.